Hi there, I'm Cheryl and welcome to Jelly Printing with Ink Pads. In this class we're going to cover a bunch of different techniques used with ink pads on a jelly plate, and then I'm going to show you how to create cards out of them. Let's go take a look at what we're going to go over. So in this class we're going to use a jelly plate. The ones that I'm using are 5 by 7. You could also use an 8 by 10 if that's what you have. I'm going to use mostly distress oxide pads. I'll go through in the first video a side-by-side comparison between regular distress pads and the oxide pads and why I chose to go with this one here. There's going to be 4 different sections of jelly printing, 4 different videos of jelly printing, and we're going to go over all sorts of different techniques to use with it, making prints along the way. And then from there we can choose which prints to use to create different cards. Now I'm going to show you how to create in one video a card using a jelly print embossed background, and then in another video we'll use texture paste on our background. We'll also go through how to just use a die cut with a jelly print background, and then how to die cut those jelly prints to create embellishments for your cards. So these are the actual cards that we're going to be making. So very simple to, or very similar to the sample cards, and the techniques are very, very simple, but it's always nice to know when you've learned how to do jelly printing exactly how to use them and incorporate them. And in this case, we're going to do some cards. So this class comes with a supply list. It lists all the supplies used throughout the class, and it'll be linked to where you can purchase those supplies if you choose, or just to use as a reference. I'll also have pictures of all the samples there so that you can see the picture with the supplies used for that exact sample. So now let's go start doing some jelly printing.